don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit phase me.
Yep. So we back. So I'm in a mode now where I'm trying to step up my shoe game, right? In the past, what I normally would do, I really just rock a lot of black shoes. I probably got some around here somewhere. Anyway, I usually rock a lot of all black or mostly black shoes. So I'm trying to step outside that box. I'm trying to get different things. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, change it up a bit, right? So I came to the conclusion, man, I want to buy some red shoes, right? I think I was looking at an outfit that was going to go together, and then boom, it was just going to be the red shoes, and it was going to really highlight the red shoes. But the shoes that I wanted to get was the Jordan 5s, I think they were. The Terror Bull or whatever. Let's see if I can put it right here. That's what I really, really wanted to get, right? So those dropped. I got on my sneaker app, and just like mostly everybody else, I got that. Nah, fam, it ain't happening for you. It's a wrap, right? So dang. All right, cool. So then my next thing I decided to do is, and I think I put these on the video. Maybe I didn't. I don't remember. But they had the all red LeBron 17s, right? Boom. See if I can throw those right there. All red LeBron 17s. Those was hard. I bought those on the StockX app, right? Thing about StockX, people who are selling their shoes, they gotta send them to StockX. That StockX gets them, right? Then they're going to authenticate them, make sure they're real, and then if they're real, they're gonna send them to you, right? Well, they got the shoe that I bought, and then they looked at it. They didn't email me and say, "Hey, man, these ain't the ones," right? All they did was say, "Hey, check this out, fam. We're gonna send you your money back." What am I left to believe? But other than, hey, they was fake, or they didn't authentic, or maybe something was wrong with the shoe that they decided, nah, fam, we ain't finna do you like that. So they sent me my money back, right? So now, because I'm deciding, all right, not just to get the shoes, I want to get the shirts with it, right? Nah, here go the red breed shirt. Look at that. With the, you see the gold Nike sign? That's right off of the shoe, right off of the LeBron James shoe. So now I got a shirt, but I ain't got no shoe. So what I decided to do, man. So I decided to pull up on something different, man. And up comes these. The Nike 270s, man. All red edition, right? 270s. And the thing about the 270s is they were actually developed kind of out of two different other Air Maxes, right? The Air Max 93s and then the Air Max 180s. It's kind of like they just took a lot of inspiration from both of those to build this shoe. It's kind of a really different type of shoe, because most of the shoes that Nike make are performance shoes. They're for something, whether it's tennis, whether it's basketball, whatever performance it is, they're performance type shoes, right? This is, I believe, the first shoe that they made that was more of a lifestyle shoe. It's not really for nothing. It's just a lifestyle shoe, but it still has its own kind of performance technologies to it, right? So Air Max 270s because of this air bubble, you know, it's supposed to be visible 270 degrees, right? Boom, that makes sense off the top. Nike came out with the air bubble thing, kind of just say, hey, it's like you're walking on air, right? It's supposed to be, imagine walking on air, right? So here you're walking on air. It's a all mesh top right here, boom. Top is all mesh. Because it's all red, it's a little bit harder to see. You know, you get your little Nike sign here. You got a Nike sign there. Air Max 270 right here. This is one of those shoes that have the tongue that's kind of sewed into the shoe. It's not its own little loose thing. Some people like that. Some people don't like that. But it's still what it is. You got your 270 on the tab right here, and then on the inside, Air Max 270. Right. Oh, air in the back. And then, if it wasn't all red, you can see that says 270. Okay, so really, really, really comfortable shoe. Happy I got it. Oh, I forgot to show you the bottom. The bottom right here. It has its own, like, I like the different levels, right? For your heel, it has its own little, like, level right here. Same thing over here. All kind of different levels. So it's probably what helps make it more of a comfortable shoe, more of a comfortable walking shoe than anything. But yeah, man, that's what we rocking today, man. Air Max 270s. Get a full spin review of that right there. Boom, 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 boom. Man, in the comments, if you rock 270s, man, Not 270. If you rock Airmaxes, let me know what your favorite Airmax is, man. 270 seems to be the most comfortable Airmax. But if you don't believe that, tell me what you think is the most comfortable. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like about this shoe. But this is my all red for now. Just got some new life, man. Some new hope that I may be able to get them joints though. Still, I may be able to get them joints still. So I'm gonna look out for that. But until next time, man. Y'all be blessed, man.
Home run, bad bye. We wanna win, we ain't trying to lose. You must humble yourself, you need balance too. Count on